Welcome to Lost Great Ones YouTube channel. Today, we take a closer look at Mr. Mohammad Habib, a true legend who transformed Indian football. His journey is one of passion, determination, and legacy. Let's start the video and explore how did he became a great India football legend. Mohammad Habib is one of the most iconic names in Indian football, remembered for his exceptional skills, leadership, and significant contribution to the sport in the country. He was born on 15th January 1952 in Kolkata, India, a city that has long been a hotbed for football in the nation. Habib is best known for his brilliance as a forward, and he became one of the most influential footballers in India during his playing days, representing the best qualities of the sport. Early life and beginnings in football. Habib's love for football began at a very young age. Growing up in Kolkata, a city known for its passion for the sport, he was exposed to football from the streets to professional arenas. His early years were shaped by playing with local clubs and learning the fundamentals of the game. His family supported his ambitions, though football was not always a guaranteed career path. Despite the challenges, his natural talent quickly became evident. Habib started his youth career in Kolkata, playing for local clubs and quickly rising through the ranks due to his exceptional dribbling and goal-scoring ability. Habib's professional career began in the early 1970s when he joined the prestigious Mohun Bagan Club, one of the most successful football clubs in India. His arrival at Mohun Bagan marked the start of a long and successful tenure with the club. He became an integral part of the team, playing as a forward. Habib was a player who had a keen sense of positioning, excellent vision, and the ability to score from almost any situation. His agility, ball control, and accuracy in front of the goal quickly earned him recognition not just in Kolkata but across the entire country. During his time with Mohun Bagan, Habib won several major titles, including the prestigious IFA Shield, Durand Cup, and Rovers Cup. He became a household name in Indian football and was instrumental in leading Mohun Bagan to many victories, both domestically and internationally. His style of play, characterized by quick footwork and incisive runs, made him one of the most feared attackers in the Indian football scene during the 1970s and 1980s. Along with his success at the club level, Habib also made significant contributions to the Indian national football team. He was a key player for India in various international tournaments and played a crucial role in several of the nation's victories in the 1970s and 1980s. His experience and skill helped elevate the level of the national team during a time when Indian football was still trying to establish itself on the international stage. Habib represented India in numerous international competitions, including the AFC Asian Cup and the Merdeka tournament, where his performances stood out. His leadership qualities on the field were remarkable. He was often seen as the driving force behind the Indian attack, orchestrating the play and creating chances for his teammates. Habib's ability to combine flair with tactical awareness made him an invaluable asset to the national team. Habib's impact on Indian football was not just limited to his playing career. His influence extended beyond the pitch, as he was deeply involved in the development of the game in India. After retiring from professional football, Habib transitioned into coaching and mentoring young talent. He became a vital figure in nurturing the next generation of football players and sharing his vast knowledge of the game with aspiring athletes. Mohammad Habib passed away on 8 July 2020 at the age of 68. He had been battling heart-related issues and was reported to have been suffering from a prolonged illness leading to his death. Habib had a history of health complications, and his passing was attributed to a cardiac arrest. His death marked the loss of one of India's football legends, and he was mourned by fans and the entire football community in India. That was the remarkable journey of Mr. Mohammad Habib, a true legend of Indian football. His life and legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. Thank you for watching this tribute to one of the greatest footballers India has ever produced. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lost Great Ones for more stories of legends who shaped history. Subscribe my channel at the end of video. Thank you.